Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So here in the first method, as you see that x minus 4 is divided by left hand side, so we need to move this value to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square minus 16 is equals to 4 times of x minus 4. And now further in the next step, we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as x square minus 16 is equals to, we multiply 4 on both of these two values, and it will becomes 4x minus 4 times 4 becomes here 16. And now further in the next step, we need more simplification, because here our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x square minus 16. This is plus 4x becomes minus 4x, this is minus 16 becomes plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we have this is plus 16, this is minus 16 are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain this is x square minus 4x is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common x from here, and when we take common x, we get the remaining values are, from here we get x only minus, from here we get 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of x is equals to plus 4, and this is the second root of the given equation. And you see here from first method we obtain these are the two roots of the given equation. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x square minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is equals to 4. And in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus 4. So here in the next steps, we need to verify both of these two roots of the given equation. And here first we substitute x is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 0 square minus 16 divided by 0 minus 4 is equals to 4. And now you see here 0 square minus 16 becomes minus 16 divided by minus 4 is equals to 4. So this minus and minus are gone, and this is 4 times 4 becomes 16. And you see here clearly 4 equals to 4. This means that both of the sides are equal when we choose x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 be the first solution of the given equation. And now here we need to verify the second root. So when we put x is equals to 4 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 4 square minus 16 divided by 4 minus 4 is equals to 4. And now again you see here this 4 square becomes 16 minus 16 divided by 4 minus 4 is equals to 4. And we have 16 minus 16 becomes 0, and 4 minus 4 is also becomes 0 is equals to 4. So in the left hand side, you see here we have this is the 0 by 0 form, or in other word we say that it is the indeterminate form. So if left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. If left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value of x is equals to 4 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that x is equals to 4 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to 0 be the first solution of the given equation. Okay, so this is our first method, and now here we again solve this problem from second method. So in the second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x square minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is equals to 4. This is the given question statement, and here we just use another technique to solve this problem. So first we rewrite this equation as, this is x square minus 16, we write 16 as 4 square divided by x minus 4 is equals to 4. So here we use the nice algebraic formula to solve this problem, and you know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this formula, we write the numerator of the left hand side as, so this term is written as x minus 4 times of x plus 4 divided by x minus 4 is equals to 4. And now you see here this x minus 4 is cancelled out by this x minus 4, and here we get the remaining values are x plus 4 is equals to 4. And now further in the next step we move this plus 4 to the right hand side, and it will becomes x is equals to 4 minus 4. So you see here this is negative and positive term are gone, and we get here x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 be the only one root which we get here in the second method, but in the first method we already verified that x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that the solution set of this problem is x is equals to 0. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.